Assembling the refill spool. Hold the reusable spool with your hands on each side and simply twist to open. Take the refill filament out of the plastic bag. Do not remove the plastic straps. Locate the notch on the cardboard coil and align it with the notch on the flange of the Inslogic Reusable Spool. Make sure the filament is securely in place. Find the triangle icon on both sides of the reusable spool and align them while closing. Place the other side of the spool and make sure the center is fully pushed in. Once the spool is firmly assembled, only then should you remove the plastic straps. Before removing all the plastic straps, insert the filament end into the hole on the spool to secure it in place and prevent tangling. All Inslogic refills come with 2 small paper labels containing information about the material. You can stick this label onto the plastic sides of your old spool to indicate what material it is. The spool is ready to use. Keep creating with Inslogic 3D.